Eclipse and Visual Studio Code are two popular integrated development environments, IDEs, used for software development. Here are differences between the two. Language support: Eclipse is primarily used for Java development, while Visual Studio Code supports a wide range of programming languages including Java, C++, Python, JavaScript, and more. Plugin ecosystem: Eclipse has a large number of plugins available for various purposes, while Visual Studio Code has a smaller but growing number of extensions. User interface: Eclipse has a more traditional IDE user interface with many windows and panels, while Visual Studio Code has a more streamlined and customizable interface. Debugging: Visual Studio Code has a more advanced and user-friendly debugging experience than Eclipse. Git Integration: Visual Studio Code has better Git integration with features such as inline diffs and integrated merge conflict resolution. Collaboration: Visual Studio Code has built-in support for remote development and collaboration, while Eclipse requires additional plugins to enable these features. Performance: Eclipse can be slow and resource-intensive, especially when working with larger projects, while Visual Studio Code is generally faster and more lightweight. Intelisense: Visual Studio Code has a more advanced Intelisense system that provides better code completion and suggestions than Eclipse. Command palette: Visual Studio Code has a powerful command palette that enables users to quickly find and execute commands, while Eclipse requires users to navigate through menus. Live Server: Visual Studio Code has a built-in Live Server extension that enables developers to preview changes in real time, while Eclipse requires additional plugins to enable this feature. Extensions Marketplace: Visual Studio Code has a well-developed and user-friendly extensions marketplace, while Eclipse's marketplace can be difficult to navigate. Cross-platform support: Visual Studio Code is available on multiple operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, while Eclipse has a dedicated version for each operating system.